What if our universe is just a giant brain floating in an endless void? Or what if everything you see, everything you are, is just a 2D projection on some distant, cosmic screen? These might sound like late-night dorm room questions, but science is getting tantalizingly close to answering them. Today, we're exploring the absolute wildest theories about our universe that top scientists are actually grappling with. From living in a computer program to a universe with no real beginning, get ready for a trip to the very edge of reality. Take a look around. Everything you see, the stars, the galaxies, even you, all of it makes up only 5% of the universe. The other 95% is a complete mystery. Scientists call it dark matter, about 27%, and dark energy, about 68%. But that's just a name for something we can't see and don't understand. And that's just the start of what we don't know. The cosmos is packed with puzzles that make us question everything. Are you ready to find out what might be hiding in the shadows? Let's pull back the curtain on reality. First up is a theory that feels like it was ripped straight from science fiction, the holographic principle. It asks a simple question. What if our rich 3D world is just an illusion, a projection of information stored on a flat 2D surface far away? Think of the hologram on a credit card. It's a flat surface, but it holds all the information to create a three-dimensional image. The holographic principle suggests the universe might work the same way. The theory, developed by physicists like Gerard 't Hooft and Leonard Susskind, emerged from a deep puzzle in physics: the black hole information paradox. Basically, quantum mechanics says information can never be destroyed, but it seems to vanish when it falls into a black hole. The holographic principle offers a wild solution. Maybe the information isn't lost at all. Maybe it's stored on the black hole's two-dimensional event horizon. This idea is a powerful tool for theoretical physicists because it helps connect Einstein's theory of gravity with quantum mechanics. While it's not proven that our entire universe is a projection from the edge of the cosmos, the principle suggests that what we think of as space might be constructed from information stored on a distant boundary. The math points to a bizarre possibility. Our three-dimensional reality could be an elaborate illusion. Have you ever seen something so strange it felt like a glitch in the Matrix? This next idea takes that feeling and runs with it. It's the simulation hypothesis. The theory that our universe is a computer program written by a far more advanced civilization. It's an old idea, echoing Plato's allegory of the cave, but philosopher Nick Bostrom gave it a modern spin. He argued that one of three things must be true. Civilizations either destroy themselves before creating such simulations, they lose interest in making them, or we are almost certainly living in one. Given how quickly our own video games are becoming photorealistic, it's easy to imagine a future where simulated worlds are indistinguishable from the real thing. For a while, some physicists wondered if clues were hidden in the laws of our universe. For example, in quantum physics, particles don't seem to have a definite state until they're observed, kind of like how a video game only renders the details you're actively looking at to save power. However, this theory has recently hit a major roadblock. As of 2025, new mathematical proofs suggest that the way our reality works involves non-algorithmic processes that simply cannot be simulated on any computer. So, while it's a mind-bending thought experiment, the latest science indicates that the simulation hypothesis is probably not our reality. It seems our universe is authentically, and weirdly, real. We think of stars as brilliant balls of light, but what if the very first stars were invisible giants powered by darkness? I'm talking about dark stars, and they might solve one of the biggest puzzles in modern astronomy. The James Webb Space Telescope keeps finding huge, bright galaxies in the early universe, way sooner than our models thought possible. How did they get so big, so fast? Dark stars could be the missing piece. This theory, proposed by a team that includes cosmologist Catherine Freese, suggests that the infant universe was dense with dark matter. Instead of collapsing to ignite nuclear fusion like a normal star, clouds of gas could have been superheated by dark matter particles annihilating each other. This dark matter-powered engine would allow these stars to grow to absolutely monstrous sizes, millions of times more massive than our sun and as bright as an entire galaxy. This could explain the strange objects Webb is seeing. Some scientists believe that what we are identifying as the first galaxies might be these single, supermassive dark stars. These giants would have eventually collapsed to form the supermassive black holes we now find at the center of most galaxies. The Webb telescope has already spotted 3 promising candidates that fit the description of dark stars, so we might be on the verge of confirming the universe's hidden first generation of stars. With billions of galaxies, each full of billions of stars, the universe should be teeming with life. So, as physicist Enrico Fermi famously asked, "Where is everybody?" The Great Filter is one of the most chilling possible answers to that question. The theory proposes that on the long road from simple life to a spacefaring civilization, there's a wall, a great filter, that almost no species can get past. It's a challenge so great that it wipes out nearly every civilization that encounters it. The scary part is, we don't know where we are in relation to this filter. There are 3 main possibilities. 1. The filter is behind us. Maybe the jump to intelligent life was the incredibly rare event, and we're one of the first or only species to make it. If that's true, the universe is ours for the taking. 2. We're in the filter right now. Maybe the test is whether a civilization can survive its own technology. Things like nuclear war, climate change, or rogue AI could be the very thing that stops species from reaching the stars. The cosmic silence we hear could be a warning. Three. The filter is ahead of us. This is the most terrifying option. It means some future challenge is almost universally lethal. It could be a natural cosmic event or a dangerous discovery we have yet to make. In this scenario, the universe isn't empty. It's a graveyard of civilizations that got to where we are, and no further. This theory turns the empty sky from a source of wonder into something far more ominous. Which of these ideas gets under your skin the most? Is our reality a cosmic hologram, or are we just another civilization facing a universal test? Let me know what you think down in the comments. And if you love tackling the biggest questions out there, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss our next adventure into the unknown. From holographic worlds and dark stars to the deafening silence of the cosmos, we're constantly learning that the universe is stranger than we ever thought possible. These ideas push the boundaries of science and force us to question what it even means to be real. The search for answers is what drives us forward, and with every discovery, the view just gets more spectacular. The greatest adventures are definitely still to come.